Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Nur Safia binti Muhammad Ikram. I am 12 years old and I am from Sekolah Kebangsaan Padang Tembak 1. Today, I would like to share my thought on a fantastic book entitled Owl Diaries, Eva and the Lost Pony. This book is written by Rebecca Elliott, an amazing and well-known author who writes interesting children's books. It has 74 pages and is part of the popular Owl Diaries series. These books follow Eva Wendell, a young and adventurous owl who is preparing to take an important oath, one that requires her to be brave, wise, and kind. However, as she gets ready, a powerful storm hits Ritopolis. In the middle of the chaos, Eva discovers a lost point that needs help. Determined to do the right thing, she embarks on a mission to rescue the pony, even though the storm made it very dangerous. Will Eva be able to save the pony and prove she is ready for the old oath? This story teaches us many important values. One of the biggest lessons is about bravery and kindness. Eva shows us that helping others, even in difficult situations, is always the right thing to do. She does not hesitate to rescue the lost pony, even when the storm may is changing. Another important lesson is not giving up easily. When faced with problems, Eva stays determined and find ways to solve them. It teaches us that in life, whether at school or at home, we should always try our best and never be afraid to face challenges. As students, we might struggle with our study or other responsibility, but if we work hard and stay positive, we can overcome any obstacle. I really enjoy reading this book because it has attractive and colorful graphics that make the story more exciting and fun to read. The illustration help me imagine the character and events more clearly. Besides that, the language used in the book is simple and easy to understand, which make it enjoyable for young readers like me. Reading this book also gives me a lot of new knowledge and teaches me values that I can apply in my daily life. It motivates me to be brave, kind, and never give up when facing challenges. Other than that, this book helped me improve my grammar and upgrade my writing skill, making me more confident in using English. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.